Hello friends, welcome to EazyTech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to clear your cache data in Google Chrome. Let's dive into the video. First of all, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down or look to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Next, under Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data. This will open a new pop-up window with options for clearing your browser's data. Here, you can choose what you'd like to clear. For clearing the cache, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. You can also choose to clear your browsing history or cookies if needed. Select the time range for which you want to clear the data. Options range from the last hour to all time. Once you've made your selections, click on Clear Data. Chrome will process your request and delete the cached files. If you prefer a quicker method, you can use this keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows, or Command+Shift+Delete on Mac. And that's it. Your cache has been cleared. This process can help improve your browser's performance and resolve loading issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.